Imagine a legendary ship, cherished by its people, slowly having its planks replaced one by one as they rot. Eventually, every single piece is swapped out for new wood. Here's the puzzle. Is it still the same ship? This is the Ship of Theseus paradox. If identity is tied strictly to material parts, then with all new wood, it seems a different ship altogether. But if identity is about continuity, its form, function, and history, perhaps it remains Theseus's ship, despite the changes. Now, take it further. If someone collects the discarded planks and rebuilds the original ship elsewhere, which is the true Ship of Theseus, this paradox challenges how we understand identity, not just in objects, but in ourselves. Our cells regenerate, our memories shift, and our personalities evolve over time. Are we still the same person we were years ago? Is identity a fixed essence, or a narrative we construct about continuity? The Ship of Theseus invites us to question what it means to persist through change. Are we defined by our parts, our history, or something deeper and less tangible? What do you think truly makes something, or someone, the same over time?